Maybe just step over some.
¿Sí?
Te veo, venimos haciendo pendejo, güey.
Vas y todavía para Soli.
Sí, güey, tengo que ver unos paraguas.
Al rato vienes.
¿Tú eres casado todavía?
Sí, aún.
Solo quita que vayamos al
You want a lot of salsa?
Ah.
A little bit.
Salsa.
Porfa. I'm gonna put a little shake of salt on there.
Yeah.
Muchísimas
Aquí tengo
gracias.
sal.
Hey guys, we are in the palace area and there's so much street food. This is a Tlayuda. It's a blue corn tortilla. It's got nopales, which are cactus, cebolla and cilantro, which is onions and cilantro, cotija cheese shredded on it. I think she even smeared it with beans on the bottom and a lot of this delicious red sauce. So we're gonna try it. Break a piece off here. Oh. I gotta get some cactus. Oh my god. It's really fresh. It's really, really refreshing compared to like some of the deep fried stuff we've been getting. Oh.